Just want to show you guys another interesting one. Again, this is brass, so I'm holding this from behind the camera. So okay, so that's the length of it, and then you have this little attachment bit, and I use that, and I'll show you why in a second. So let me just take this off. So you unscrew that bit, put this bit on, and then put that bit on there, and now you have a very long torch. And let me just show you how that looks. So now that you have it long, I have a large size hand, and you can see how much length you have. What you do is take this bit and you shove it from here to here. There you go, and look at that. Isn't that neat? It's a good amount of light. Is about 5 wicks on top, so you get a little torch, very Indiana Jones looking. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section.